We can go up. We can go up to Charlie. You can just tell them we're on Charlie. Charlie at hotel.
Standing on hotel.
Yeah, just tell them we're on the intersection of Charlie and hotel.
Frederick ground, Cessna 9270 Alpha.
Number 9370 Alpha, Frederick ground.
Cessna 9270 Alpha is at the intersection of Charlie and hotel. With information, hotel, ready to taxi, remaining in the departure.
November 70 Alpha, runway 23, taxi via Echo Alpha, cross runway 30 at Alpha.
Echo Alpha, cleared class 30, runway 23, 9270 Alpha.
So we'll go over here, go to Echo, then Alpha.
Yeah.
Now, when you have those guys, kind of go over this way go over to the right. Kind of hold the wheel over to the left, like this. Kind of holding the wheel into the wind that's coming from their rotors. Okay. And now we'll swing it around to the right. There we go. You can give them a call. You ready for it?
Okay. Frederick Tower, Cessna 9270 Alpha, ready for takeoff 23, remaining in the departure.
9370 Alpha, Frederick Tower, runway 23, make left close traffic, port midfield downwind east time, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 23, we'll report left midfield downwind, 9270 Alpha.
To Charlie Craft Frederick at exchange to India altimeter 3038.
3038, okay, slightly.
Not a big deal.
Yeah. 10 line.
Army 889er, company traffic went east and then was going to make a turn to the southwest. I don't know where they're at now.
Beat off the brakes.
Caution, and exchange is approved. Have a good flight.
889 copies. We'll be looking for that traffic. Do you have a good departure control frequency for us, sir?
126.82.
2682, and we'll be looking for that traffic. Thank you.
Sail.
Towers, Tower 160 to golf, 4 mile final for 23.
Tower 1602 golf, runway 23, clear land.
Cleared land and we'd like the option.
Okay, well that's not landing then. We'll say intentions.
How'd you go? 160 to golf.
Yes sir, after you touch and go, what do you want to do?
Probably depart to the east.
Tower 1602 golf, roger, runway 23, cleared for the option.
Cleared for the option, 23, 160 to golf.
Yeah, 130. Correcting altitude, correcting airspeed. Alright, once I settle this, default landing criteria begins. Is the heat on?
Yeah, I'll turn it off. Sorry, Frank.
No, I just felt like the heat was on.
Yeah, it was. I turned it off.
Alright, 5. Before landing begins. Let me add a little bit more power. Mixture is rich. Magneto's few selectors on board. Magneto's on board. Landing light is on. Still correcting my altitude. Let me call tower. Frederick Tower, Cessna 9270 Alpha, midfield downwind 23.
From 937 C Alpha, you're following us at Tavia on about a 2.5 mile final. Report him in sight.
Roger. 927 Sierra Alpha.
937 Sierra Alpha will report traffic in sight.
We'll report traffic in sight. 927 Sierra Alpha.
Number 7 Sierra Alpha, say it again.
We'll report traffic in sight. 927 Sierra Alpha.
Roger, they're going over that farm on final.
937 Sierra Alpha, Roger, we're looking for him. We still don't have him in sight, so we'll be looking.
Roger.
There you go. I see him. 927 Sierra Alpha, have traffic in sight.
927 Sierra Alpha, Roger, the traffic's on the touch and go, runway 23, cleared for the option.
Clear for the option. 927 Sierra Alpha, 23. Number 2. Correcting airspeed. I need more power. A little bit. There you go.
He's on the runway, don't worry about him, Frank.
Correcting airspeed. 20. Correcting airspeed. Running for center.
Watch your speed, 65, not 60. 65, hold it there. Okay. Nice and easy now.
Holding.
Little back pressure, little back pressure. That was all you. Congratulations, you just did your first 100% landing. I did nothing. Full power. A little more back pressure there at the very end. Good job, buddy. Welcome to the club. You just landed an airplane all by yourself. I didn't do anything.
Thank you.
I didn't do a damn thing.
I was just slowly playing with the power like you said.
You did good.
Yeah.
You did real good. That was excellent. Give me one more just like that.